What happened? Wow, sir. Wow. What happened? Oh! I will tell you the harsh reality. As you all know, I'm late today. Why? I couldn't find my own clothes, so I wore somebody else's. It's okay. Please have a seat. All right, everybody. It's a competition today, so I thought to live a youngish life. It's important, guys. People were considering me the calf has become old. Calf is a teacher. No, guys, I'm just like your brother. I'm just like your friend, right? So that is why it was very important to live a youngish life today. So, everybody has come?
Yes, sir.
So, everybody, this month is full of festivals, right? And that is why we have decided one topic, that is, don't know. What topic?
Do festivals.
Festivals or festivals?
Festival, sir.
Guys, batch A is already in dangerous situation. What is this topic? Excuse me.
Do festival out bring.
She also doesn't know. Guys, I think, batch A is not, compatible. Right?
Yes, sir.
They are not debatable. May I know, please, what time is it?
Right now, I say 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock? You are wrong. 8:25. Nobody knows anything, guys. May I know what is your future Fagunia's name?
I don't know, sir.
He doesn't know. You guys don't know anything. The topic is actually, do festivals bring happiness or not? I mean, does it really bring happiness or not? Some people think that, of course, it does bring and it brings. It certainly brings. But some of the people think that, no, it doesn't. It doesn't, guys, right? May I know that captain of batch A, please? You haven't decided. Batch A, you guys are really sleeping. And batch B? Okay, Shalu. Huh? You have to decide. Okay, Upendra, come here, please. And batch A. All right, Swarnima, please. You can be no problem, right? That's great. So, first of all, tell me, Swarnima, do you celebrate festivals or not?
Yes, sir. I celebrate, but I am not favor.
Manu, you can't decide. You have to decide after toss, right? So tell me one of the most favorite festivals that you celebrate.
Sir, Diwali.
Diwali, and it is about to, right? Hey, Mr. Tangawali, what about you?
Sir, I also love to celebrate festival, and my most favorite festival name is Holi.
Holi.
Yes, sir.
It means batch B also wants to support festivals bring
Yes, sir.
happiness.
Yes.
And you also want to support that.
No, sir. We are not.
You're not supporting that. By the way, you will have to decide after winning the toss,
Yes,
right?
Toss will
But
decide.
let me tell you guys, see, 99% festivals really bring happiness, right? We can't deny that. It is inevitable, right? We cannot deny that. But, sometimes we have to talk about the thing that we don't know. Like, for example, if I give it the topic parents, it is undebatable topic, but something or the others we have to think against that, right? So this topic, I mean, if you go against this topic, something or the others, you have to think about it. I know this is really tough to think, but you have to think some of the things, right? Some people may be thinking that why this topic? Why this topic has been given for debate? This topic is not debatable, right? But actually, the current scenario and situation of India has made us think that we need to debate as well. Yeah.
Also in PG, we have 1 week holiday.
You have to decide after some time, right? Exactly. All right, everybody. So we have a toss now. You want finger toss or you want coin toss? Anybody have chawanni, please? Come on. अठन्नी चवन्नी 1 rupee, please. जो पहले देगा चवन्नी वो भगवान उसको जो है बहुत पैसा देगा. कौन दिया है? You have given. Inshallah, she will have so much money. That's my dua. All right. Can I have toss, please?
Yes.
First of all, everybody clap for Swarnima's team. She is not happy with her Swarnima's team. She is clapping like this. I will not tell. I will not tell who claps like that. Hey, Tehzeeb. Everyone knows. Okay, and please clap for Mr. Upendra's team. Wait, cameraman, jaldi focus karo. Wait. Through which breakup are you going?
No, there is no breakup.
Then she is clapping like this. Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
One more time clap, please. Let me catch somebody. Happy Ji, wait. Happy Ji is clapping like a jar. He है छोड़ के तेरी गली बाबुल. अरे Happy Ji, what happened to you? अरे जबरदस्त. ये तो फेस्टिवल आज ही हो गया. जबरदस्त. All right, now it's time for me to flip. Where is my coin? Hey, you have taken. No, you have taken.
No, sir, I haven't taken.
Hey, no, I don't have. Please give me the next. I will return you, don't worry. Okay. Captain, this is 10 rupees, okay? This is called, I think, tail, right? And this is called, 4 lines, but 3 lines are looking, actually, right? How many lines are there?
4.
4! one is
hidden.
that side, hidden, right? So who will tell? Ladies should tell, right?
Why, sir, always ladies?
लक्ष्मी के बातों में, जज्बातों में बरकत होती है. तो प्लीज बरकत उनकी बरकत ना अपनी हो. ओए स्वर्णिमा, ओए देख के बता रही है. First you have to tell, then it will flip. You tell.
Tell.
And it is, of course, tails. All right! It's okay. So batch A has won the toss, everybody. So now here, Captain Swarnima, you have to decide which team are you going to.
Sir, we are going to oppose it.
Yes, sir.
I mean, wait. You have time to decide with your members. You're against the festivals? Yes. Against festival?
Yes, sir.
How many times have you played Holi?
No more time, sir.
No more time?
Eid, sir, Eid.
Are you no more?
No, sir.
He's saying no any more time.
No anymore.
Holi, right?
Yes, sir.
You play Holi?
No, sir.
Which festival do you celebrate? No festival.
I said I celebrate it like this Eid.
Eid.
Yes, sir.
Eid is good festival.
Yes, sir.
He is satisfied. All right. If you support any single festival, you will get minus. Remember that, okay? No, not 2+ right now. Please sit down. All right. Please come here. He is alien actually. Once he has told that I have come from other planet. Oh, yes. All right. He has told that he has come from other planet. May I know your planet's name?
No,
Aryabhat kaun aa gaya?
no, sir. I'm not from other planet.
You told in public speaking that you have come from other
No,
planet.
you were kidding that time. That's why I said.
Oh, so if you get opportunity to go on Mars, will you go?
No, sir.
You will not go.
No, I.
There are so many festivals.
No, there is no festival. There is
Arey-
no person any.
Someone will come from America, will land there. Someone will come from China, will land there. Elon Musk will come with a burger. Everyday festival.
No, there is no festival.
There's no festival. You're not happy, right?
No.
Please sit down. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just giving you 5 to 10 minutes to elaborate, to have some discussion with your members, and then we will start our debate. So please go and decide, okay? All right. So, Mr. Upendra, as you know that, Swarnima has won the toss. as I have told you, there is always barakat, in girl's hand actually, right? That is why there is a very good line that har kamyabi ke peche ek ladki ka haath hota hai. So do you believe that?
Sir, I do not believe that. I also believe that it is a hard work of man also in barakat and for success, for prosperity.
But you have seen barakat of, sorry math, she told that it's a till. And you were
not decided who will own.
And 5 rupees give me. You have stolen.
Sir, I haven't. I am very good student of yours, sir. I am obedient. How can I do this?
Where has it gone actually, right? No problem. So tell me that, are you happy with this?
I am damn happy, sir.
Be happy if they, decide against the festivals.
That's why I'm happy because we must celebrate. The festival made for celebrating, sir. That's why we must celebrate. It gets harmony, peace, happiness in our family, togetherness. Yes, sir. That's why we must celebrate festivals.
But you should have. Have you decided or not? First of all, you have decided. So you can go. But please come here for a while. Come here for a while, right?
Yes.
All right. So here Swarnima's team. All right. Swarnima had decided they want to speak against the motion. I mean, they are going to say that festivals do not bring happiness, right? Festival is the waste of the time, and festivals are really for sadness. I think every festival should be banned in India. Of course, हमें ऐसे ही बोलना. See, against team members have to say like that, right? Every festival should be banned. If anybody celebrates, he will be jailed. He should be jailed, okay, right? So you have to say something like that, right? Swarnima, please. Best of luck. Everybody go in waiting area and discuss. And here batch B will be conspiring. All right, so Oh, excuse me.
Such people wait for the happy occasion for doing this.
Of course. Yeah, he's a good person, right? So, Mr. Satish, your team has decided, that festivals are not good. Are you happy?
Yes, sir, I am happy.
You're happy? Why are you happy?
Sir, festival is not good.
Why?
For poor people.
For poor people, this is more good.
No, sir. They feel they go to in debt.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go and discuss. खूब बोलना आज तू दबा के बोलना. Yes. Go and talk to your captain. What can I do actually? Yeah, so are you happy with this decision?
Everybody, my all team member is happy, sir. Now you can look at the smile.
Member is happy or members are happy?
All members are happy, sir.
Very nice. Go and have discussion. Best of luck.
Thank you so much, sir.